Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to show you a model of tractor. We're going to go over it. We're going to show you all the little features of it. We're going to tell you all the specs on the tractor, and maybe if you want one, you could stop on by and purchase one. Guys, today we're going to talk about one of Mahindra's tractors. This is going to be one of our best-selling tractors that we have here at our dealership. This is the 4540, 4550 platform. This has been one of Mahindra's workhorses for a long time. It's an older series platform, but it's a very reliable, very good little unit. And like I said, it's one of our best-selling tractors. So 4540, 4550 typically gets referred to as a 40 horse or a 50 horse. They're actually a 41 or a 48 horsepower tractor. If you took the stickers off the hood, you wouldn't know the difference. They look absolutely identical. Exact same hood, exact same platform. The literal difference is engine horsepower, and this tractor, being a 4550, comes with one set of auxiliary hydraulics on the back where the 4540 does not. It can be added to it, but the 4540 doesn't come with it on there. So kind of give you a rough overview of this tractor. It's on R4 rubber. We order it with R4s. If you wanted it with AGs, we can sure get it with AGs, but 80% of our guys that are getting them are wanting to do loader work with them, and this front tire does so much better than the AG tire, so we do get them with R4s. If you would like to get it with an AG tire and you're interested in one of them, if you called us, we'll get you a price with AG tires on it, and that's no big deal. It's easy to do. It's easy to get it switched around. That's no problem. Four-wheel drive front axle under it. High turn radius front axle. This tractor is a very, very simple stick and rudder style transmission in it. So when you look at this is just a clutch, low and high range, 4-speed transmission, brakes on this side, foot throttle. Very, very simple, very, very plain. And has a lot of a lot of guys you'll get a little bit of pushback that maybe they don't like this, or maybe they do like this, but this tractor is kind of what you see is what you get. Very, very simple stick and rudder flying. Simple levers, actual mechanical levers that you're going to pull for your 3-point, mechanical lever that you're going to run for your PTO, mechanical diff lock, and mechanical park brake here on the side. Guys, it's a as far as engine, transmission, rear end, 3-point, PTO, these have been very legit for us. Being a non-DPF tractor, guys, you don't have to worry about this doing a regen. You don't have to worry about this getting up into some elevation and giving you trouble as far as being a tier 4 unit. But that's one of our big deals with this being a non-DPF tier 4 tractor. It's a very low maintenance tractor, and it's very low kind of dealership maintenance tractor that you can just kind of take out and go to work with. So guys, this tractor, we're going to talk a little bit about the serviceability of it, what it costs to service this tractor, what it takes to service it. This is a very low cost servicing tractor. It doesn't have a lot of stuff in it to service. And so that being said, it's going to be a little bit lower dollar tractor when you get it. This one has one big spin on hydraulic filter here on the side. And it's got a little suction screen right down there on the bottom, and then a big spin on filter here. You have one engine oil filter, and your dipstick's right back there for it, and then your air filters are right up here in the front with this hood open. You can kind of see them up in there. We'll go over to the other side and we'll kind of go over the fuel filters, but short of you change the engine oil out of her, put an engine oil filter in it. If you're changing the hydraulic oil, you got 2 hydraulic oil filters, and then you do have a front axle oil. That is a one case, does the drops and does the center tube section in it. Short of that, so you got oil in the front axle, oil in the engine, oil and transmission, 2 filters there, 1 engine oil filter, and then if you come over to this side, there's 2 little fuel filters here. These are not extremely high cost filters. One of the most reasonable tractors we have as far as price wise to get it service done. It doesn't have a lot of other things on it that need to be done with it, different fluids and different cases and different a bunch of different filters, a bunch of real expensive filters on it. This tractor will come with a 7-year warranty on it, and they're going to break that down and say that it's 7-year limited powertrain. How that's going to go is basically years 1 through 2. You have 100% warranty on the tractor, which is going to cover manufactured defects in, like, up around the operator's platform, if you, gauges, lights, switches, stuff like that. And then you're going to have the remaining 5 years are going to be powertrain. And so anything that basically runs in oil on the tractor that propels her forward and reverse is kind of what they're going to limit that to on the powertrain. We don't do a lot of warranties on the 4540s or the 4550s. 7-year warranty on them. The loader will have a 1-year warranty on the loader. And like I said, all the way around. It's a good little setup. If you're looking for a big frame tractor, this one will do the job for you. If you're looking to move a little bit of hay, it's got enough weight in its pants to kind of go and get the job done for you. Very simple tractor to run. And that's one thing I was going to say, that if you're a guy that wants a hydro transmission, or if you want a shuttle, or if you want a power shuttle, this is not the tractor for you. This is just a straight 8-speed transmission, gear shift with clutch. If you like to drive that and you like that operation, you'll like this tractor. It's set up that way, and the guy that likes driving that likes this machine. Very simple, very low cost, very low maintenance, very low bells and whistles, but a very, very good returning tractor. If you're looking for one, come and talk to us. We'd be glad to show you. We'd be glad to make you a quote on it. If you want to call us, 970-874-0612. Our website is varnerequipment.com. If you want an email, it's devin@varnerequipment.com. Send us an email. Give us a phone call, say you're interested in a tractor. We'd love to get you a quote. If you're looking for a small haying package to go on a tractor like this, if you're looking for a blade, a box blade, a post hole digger, a bale spear, a trailer, whatever you're looking for, we can package it together for you if you'd like to do that. If you're just looking for a couple attachments to go with the tractor, we can do that for you as well. I'm Devin Varner, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Videos like